Alright guys, we're gonna wait the tram bus. Oh, he's here. Oh, we're gonna wait the bus one. Yay! My very first bus. Alright, let's go. Let's wait the bus. Alright. Go wait the bus, my very first. This is really awesome. Alright, let's close. Here we go. Whee! This is so fast. Crazy fast. Oh my god, the tram is already coming. Hey. Oh, there goes another bus. Wow, the tram bus already comes with here too. Look at this. What is a picture of this? Oh my god, the tram bus is crazy. Crazy videos. Look at this modulation. Wow, this two trams. Yep, bus and tram bus. Wow, this is really crazy. This one does not. Yes, yeah, I can read this tram bus is really crazy. So look at this. Alright, here we're at the station. Wow, tram bus are crazy with this. Here it is. Here we are. Wow, there goes the tram bus right there. Right, here we are. Alright, what is it? What's the crazy in the station? Alright, what's it close? And there goes the bus. It's like a tram, but this is really crazy. Oh, that way. This is close that way right there. Alright. Oh, here's the map right there. Okay, there we go. And see you guys at school. That's it.